After you've made your gorgeous Prezi, you're going to want to share it with the rest of the world. Good news, sharing your Prezi is easy and simple. From your dashboard, find the Prezi that you want to share with the world, which for us is the Prezume down here, and click this right arrow to bring up more options. Now that I've done that, I've got two options. The first is to add somebody as a collaborator. If the person you want to share your Prezi with has a Prezi account, just type in the email address here. Then you can choose whether you want that person to be able to edit, comment, or present. I'm going to send this as just comment because I want feedback on it. And then you can click the add button to send it. Our other option, if you don't want to share with somebody who has a Prezi account, or if you want to send just a simple link, you can do that by clicking on Create New Link. I'm going to share my Prezume with my mum because I want her to check and see how great I'm doing. So I'm just going to type in mum so I can remember who I've sent it to, and then go down here to Create Link. A link has been created, and I can copy it by clicking on the copy button. Now it's ready to put into an email or message. If I want to, I can deactivate it at any time by clicking this deactivate link. Okay, now you know how to make a beautiful Prezi presentation and how you can share it with the world. You've got all the tools you need to make compelling, interactive presentations that your audience is really going to remember.